Welcome back to the shop. So today we're going to take a look at some Sunex impact Torx sockets. Previous video we did actually didn't have any impact Torx sockets, and we ended up using some that weren't impact. It's what we had. So let's get this open and check these things out. A little messy. Alright, here we go. Typical Sunex case. I don't really love these, but they work. Now this one does have the pin in it, so it's not just bending metal, or I should say plastic. So here in the set we have start with a 1/4 inch drive, T10. That's very small. So that's you would definitely want to be careful hanging on that thing, and it goes all the way up to a T60. So let's see here. Okay, so the T60 is the only 1/2 inch drive one, and the T40 up to the T55 are all 3/8 drive. 1/4 inch set goes up to T30. And I'd say these are all really nice the way they're made. The anvil should go in there nicely. In fact, we'll go get some impact guns and see how they fit. These are nice and short, the 1/4 inch ones here. So if they get into some tight spots, and they are struck and have the laser etching, so it's kind of nice because eventually sometimes this laser etching wears off. So I do like that. They do have the hole in them for your pin detent anvils, which is, you know, good thing. Overall, I'd say these are pretty nice. That T10 is a nice size to have, but you're going to want to be careful with that one. So let's go get some impacts and see how these look. Okay, so we have our previous iteration fuel impact wrenches here. These are not the stubbies. So let's just take this T10. This is a hog ring style anvil, and that fits right on there nicely. That's really no flop in that whatsoever. Stays right put. Just what you want to see. Retained on there wonderfully. Let's go to the other extreme for the T30. Right on. Nothing to it. So that works out nicely. 3/8, same thing. Not the new stubby version. Let's get our T55 on here. This is the hog ring as well. There we go. Nothing to it. Plenty to it. That it's you know, set on the anvil nicely. They come off nice. And our T60, again, the earlier version. This is the non-stubby version of the fuel, direct from Europe, and this one has the pin detent, so we'll see how that works, and that is on there nicely. And then of course we'll need to take something to get our socket off the pin detent. Had to do it off screen. But yes, holds it very well. Nice and handy. So there we go. Super quick look at the 1820S 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch set of Torx from Sunex. Now this is missing some sizes, but overall it's pretty good representation of all the sizes that they have in there. So I think for you know, all around, if you have things and you just need something, I think this is probably a decent way to go. The 1/4-inch ones keep you as short as you can be, but that would, you know, not everybody has a 1/4-inch impact, so, but these will work great with ratchets as well. So that's the other side of this. So then the 3/8, a little bit better drive for the bigger Torx, and by the time you get up to T60, you're definitely gonna want something 1/2 inch hitting that. So quick look there at the Sunex set. I think they'll be a good fit in the shop. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.